Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create this documentary timeline animation in CapCut PC, and it will be completely manually. So without wasting any time, let's start. First open your CapCut and make a new text layer. Now add dots instead of text or words. After that, scroll down, you will find the character option. Make it -5 or something around it. It will fill the dots and make a whole line. If the line feels short, you can add more dots to it. The length of the dots will result in increasing length of the line. Now we have to make small line to make them stand out. To add text, create a new text layer and type in some dots. Then again decrease its character to some extent to make it look like a line. Now place this line in at the start like this. Then copy it by holding Alt and place it next to a different location. Do it 3 or 4 times as required according to your script. Extend all of these layers to the duration of animations you want to create. After doing all this, select all the layers and make it compound clip. Now go to Canva and in Elements search for tape. Here you will find many tapes that you can use in your videos. Then download the ones you like. Now import it in CapCut and adjust its size. Then place it like this on the line over the main line. Make its copies and repeat the process for all the lines. Now it's time for the text. Make a new text layer and name it with the year like starting from 2000. Change its color to black or the color you like. Now add some shadow to make the text stand out on the white color of the tape. Make its copy and rename the text layer with the other years you want, like 2001, 2, and place them on their separate tapes. After all this process, select all the text layer and make them compound clips. Make a few adjustments with text or the tapes by double clicking on compound clips. Now again select the two compound clips and create a new compound clip of them. Now it's time to animate. Go to transform properties and scale the video to the first year you have created. Now go to the start of the clip and set a position keyframe there. Now move a few frames forward and drag the video to the next layer. Now repeat the same process, add a keyframe and then move the video to a new year. You can also bring the keyframes close to set the duration of the animation between keyframes. and your animation is ready. You can adjust or make the duration more by going in the graph properties of the keyframes. And that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like and share it to your friends. Also follow me on Instagram for more updates or work related to editing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.